After visiting the stunning Giant's Causeway, we continued our scenic drive along the coast towards Derry. Perched dramatically on the edge of Northern Ireland's Antrim coast, Dunluce Castle is a medieval fortress steeped in legend. Built in the 13th century and once home to the MacDonnell clan, its ruins cling to the cliffs battered by the Atlantic Ocean. Stories of collapsing kitchens and ghostly apparitions add to its mystique. With breathtaking sea views and a history of battles, sieges, and romance, Dunluce Castle remains one of Ireland's most iconic and atmospheric landmarks. Dunluce Castle is prominently featured in HBO's Game of Thrones series. Welcome to Derry, also known as Londonderry. It's one of Ireland's most historic cities, where ancient walls guard centuries of stories. Built in the early 1600s, these walls are among the best preserved in Europe, earning Derry the title of the Maiden City, since they were never breached during the siege. At the heart of Derry is St. Columb's Cathedral. Completed in 1633, it's the oldest surviving building in Derry and the first Protestant cathedral built after the Reformation. Dedicated to St. Columba, who founded a monastery here in the 6th century, it stands as a symbol of faith and resilience. The Guildhall of Derry stands proudly since 1890. It's the city's Gothic Revival jewel. Built by the Honourable Irish Society, it has been the stage for politics, culture, and community for over a century. Inside, dazzling stained glass windows tell the story of Derry's turbulent past, from the plantation to the present. Overlooking the River Foyle, the Guildhall isn't just a landmark, it's the heartbeat of Derry's history and identity. The Apprentice Boys Memorial Hall recalls the fierce Siege of Derry in 1689, when 13 young apprentices closed the city gates against King James's army. The Bogside's world-famous murals, painted by the Bogside Artists, bring Derry's recent history vividly to life. Here you'll see portraits of Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela, global icons of peace and justice, alongside powerful local imagery from the Troubles, like the Bloody Sunday Memorial, the Boy with a Gas Mask, and the Dove of Peace. These murals honor both international figures and local struggles, reminding visitors of Derry's journey from conflict towards reconciliation. The Bogside murals tell the story of Derry's troubles through powerful portraits. You'll find depictions of John Hume, the Nobel Peace Prize winner and architect of Good Friday Agreement, and Bernadette Devlin, the fiery civil rights activist who became Britain's youngest ever MP. Alongside them, murals remember those killed on Bloody Sunday and honor everyday citizens who stood for justice. These walls are a living history, memorial of struggle, resilience, and the pursuit of peace. Come along as we explore the old city of Derry in the rain. Opened in 2011, Derry's Peace Bridge arcs gracefully across the River Foyle, linking the historic city center with the once divided waterside. Designed as a symbol of unity, its sweeping curves represent two hands reaching out to connect. The bridge embodies Northern Ireland's journey from conflict to reconciliation, inviting walkers and cyclists alike to cross with ease. More than steel and cables, it stands as a living monument of hope, healing, and shared futures. Thanks for watching.